Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to check and replace the sealing ring on your Thermomix TM7. The sealing ring may get worn out with time. You can check whether it's still alright and replace it if needed by removing the mixing bowl from the station first, then disassembling it. To do it, you'll find this switch. You need to turn it to the left side and then you can remove the cutting knife. Now the sealing ring is this green part. You can remove it. So let's get rid of it for now. And then you can rinse it with water and inspect for any creases or cracks. Then also you may want to do this test of seeing if you bend it gently, just be gentle with it. If it goes back to its shape, then it's all right, but also look for the creases and cracks. If there are some creases or cracks, or it doesn't go back to its shape by itself, then it has to be replaced. You can just put it on the same or a new one, whether you're replacing it or not. You can put it on, then put it into the mixing bowl until it actually goes in. You can see once I put it in, now it's not in, it's very wiggly. I need to put it in all the way, and then I can just close this lock. It requires a bit of force, but now it's locked, so it's done. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.